Hey y'all, so it's Music here and I'm back again with another video. Anyways y'all, so I am finally back here with another video. In today's video, I want to show y'all off this bomb wig from Outre, y'all. When this wig first came out, I did not get so lucky to get this wig, and I've been legit waiting this wig for like at least 2 weeks, y'all. I had to wait until they had to drop more wigs, and luckily y'all, I got the wig and I got in a cute color that I already knew that I was gonna like. But yeah y'all, so check me out. So in today's video, I want to show y'all this wig. This is one of Outre's newest wigs, y'all. Julianne in 24 inches. Now if y'all are familiar with, you know, all the synthetic wigs and whatnot, months ago or so they did come out with Julianne. They came out with a Julianne wig, but it wasn't this long, y'all. It was a little bit shorter than this. But if you want to see that wig, I will leave the link to that video in my description box so y'all can check that out, because I did review that wig and I want y'all to see that wig as well, because that wig was hella cute. So this is pretty much the sister of this wig, y'all. Alright, so y'all, first things first, this is a unit by Outre, and this is one of Outre's perfect hairline units, fully hand tied with your 13x6 inch lace, y'all. So whenever y'all get these wigs, it's best to style these wigs according to your face and according to how you like it. Now keep in mind that whenever you get these wigs, you got to play with them. You got to play with them, and you got to style them, and you got to make sure that yours. You can't let the wig wear you. You got to wear the wig, okay? Keep that in mind, that whenever you get this wig, you need to make sure that you got it down pat, and that you make sure that you, because this is a lot of hair, and this hair have a lot of body, and it's big hair. So you need to make sure that you on your bad bitch status, and you get popping, and you know how to wear this hair, because you don't want this hair to wear you. You want to wear the hair, okay? That's first things first, okay? But anyway y'all, so this wig was really kind of like on the expensive side, y'all. I got this color in the DR ginger brown hair color. I feel like I got this color because it goes so good with my skin tone. It goes so good with my skin tone, and I just know I just look good in this color. So that's the reason why I got this color, y'all, because I know I look good in this color. So that's the reason why I got this color, y'all. But anyway, but yeah, they have so many more colors that you can choose from. Like today, y'all, I'm rocking the DR ginger brown color, and they also have more cute colors that you can buy, which is the DR2 chocolate swirl, the DR4 golden honey blonde, the DR4 honey brown, and the DRFF red velvet. Now if you go in some of my recent videos, let me get myself together, y'all, sorry y'all. All right, so if you go in, like, I know it's been like years, but if you go and like look at my old videos, you would actually see that I've reviewed many of Outre wigs in so many different colors, y'all, but in different styles. So if you go on my old videos, you will see what different colors will look like, and then you can make a better decision whenever you want to buy this wig, decide about what color you want to buy. But this wig is 24 inches long, you guys, and this wig is very, very cute. It's very, very voluminous, and it is bad bitch hair, okay? It's holiday hair, it's New Year's hair, whatever you want to call it. But yeah y'all, this hair is so damn cute. Like, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Now whenever you get your wig, this wig does have a perfect hairline, okay? First of all, it has your perfect hairline. You are not going to need to pluck the hairline whatsoever. It does come with baby hair, and put makeup on her, concealer, whatever you want to do to your wig, just put it on there and you'll be good to go. Like, this wig won't give you any type of problems. This wig is also most definitely big hair friendly. My head is more so on the peanut side. I got a little peanut head, it's on the smaller side, but I promise you that this wig will most definitely suit your head the right way and comfortably. And that's that on that. This hair, y'all, it's on the expensive side, but I guarantee you that this wig is very, very, very cute, and it's worth the money only because it's so full. Now I am getting a little bit of a sense that it will begin to tangle on me on the ends, and only because there's this other wig that I have, and Lynette that recently just came out, and it tangled on me as well. But I can kind of tell that this wig will be one of the wigs that will tangle on you, and that you're gonna have to have one of these brushes, y'all. Get y'all one of these brushes. I got one of these brushes from my local beauty. It's dirty, y'all, but it's okay. I get this brush from my local beauty supply store. This brush is only $5, but it has the metal teeth in this brush, and I love this brush. This is a really good detangling brush, so keep that in mind that you're gonna have to run a brush through this wig maybe like three times a day, if that. But other than that, I really do think this wig is really cute. This wig has a really like a kinky straight type texture, like a blowout, and then you got your hair curled. It feels like that, and I really do think that you'll most definitely love this wig. One thing about this wig that I really do love is that I'm able to put my hair half up, half down, and the sides are fully covered. Even though this is lifting just a little bit on the sides, I like how it literally covered from both sides, and I didn't have to like cut it or anything like that. Like, it fit really good on both sides of my hair on the sides. So that right there is really good. And as you can see in the video, I will be using alcohol witch hazel alcohol pads, my, damn it, what is that called? Fuck. Also my NYX powder palette, I'll be using that, a makeup brush, oh yeah, and also the ebon hairspray. Now I really do love the ebon hairspray because it holds really good, except for the sides. You might have to like go in on the sides and kind of do more than one layer, but I really do love the ebon spray because it allows for my wigs to hold, like to literally have really good hold for at least 3 days with that stuff. Now I have not tried the yellow can, but I have tried the red can, and I have tried the black can most definitely. And the black can, and it's not expensive either, so keep that in mind. That has really good hold to it, and it's not expensive at all. Also, I love these scissors right here. I bought these scissors from my local beauty supply store, and I don't really know what kind of scissors these are. I just bought them because they have that pointy top at the top, and that's what I like about these scissors, because it gives me the opportunity to have more of a precise cut. And whenever I cut my lace, I like to go in a zigzag motion, and that's that. This wig most definitely can be styled in many styles, y'all. Y'all don't have to style it like this, but this was one of the reasons why I bought this wig, is because I saw how Sister Girl was looking over her. I saw how Sister Girl was looking, and she was giving, like, I just had to have that hairstyle, and that's what I did. But yeah, I really love this hairstyle. I feel like you would get at least a good month or so out of this wig if you take really good care of this wig. One other thing that I would suggest for you to do is like in the front of the bang, it's very voluminous, y'all. So somehow, some way, recurl it, or like take your hair razor and kind of like trim a little bit to your liking, because the front, like, this hair is so voluminous, y'all. It's glamorous hair, and y'all gonna have to work with this wig. Now I will be doing another video about like me styling this wig in many other ways, but today, y'all, I just had to do this hairstyle. Like, it was so cute and I loved it. Like, I just had to have this wig, and I thought I wasn't about to get this wig. I just thought I was about to be crying, but I didn't cry, y'all. Peace, y'all. I hope that I gave y'all all the information that y'all needed about this hair, and I hope that y'all make y'all decisions when it comes to buying this hair, and y'all be safe out there, and happy holidays to you all. And don't forget to like, comment, most definitely subscribe, y'all. Don't forget to drink up all your water and get all that sunlight, because good for your body is good for your soul. And peace out, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.